at the no. They make at the Maya. They make at the shikam. One up with the shikam. Let pass it with the shikam. Ah, shikam. Let pass it with the shikam. Everybody with the shikam. Oh, she wants to knock out. I'm a big one, and I am big one.
DJ, audio. We don't hear you.
Yes.
DJ.
You know, so I like the way this guy, in fact, the way this guy welcome us inside this bar. I feel the guy.
I that song. Where you there?
I feel the nigga. When you feeling the nigga, and the way they do me,
no. He said like the way the guy they welcome us.
Yeah.
Don't you spend money here? I don't understand. You didn't spend money. Person must welcome you. It's not, if I would not reach level where we say when we're tired, they're supposed to get like some girls we go there, you know, all these sexy girls we go just there like naked to the serve us with. Yes, now.
Strippers. Maybe they got strippers.
Not the strippers, just they don't wear like sexy lingerie, all those things, you understand?
Bikini.
Just the bikini setting.
Flat tummy.
You don't go like her, yes, they go.
What did they hungry you?
But you don't go like her.
What did they hungry? Now for a Swani market. Me, I'll show you. Because you know the Balogo market.
And they like, you know, say for here, we like talk with the real thing. No be lie.
Nah, so.
This one talk that no be lie.
But you yanam, if I enter this kind of bar now, I see all those kind of things, I will come tomorrow again.
You go come?
I will come again.
Okay, so you'll come today, then you come tomorrow again.
I'm telling you.
And you go come the food.
I will just keep
Don't spoil me, that shall not spoil me, oh.
Coming master.
But wait, though, it gets something where really crossed my mind during the week.
I don't make it cross your mind. This is what you talk about come now.
Leave come.
No, sorry.
Leave come.
No.
Tell me what to do.
You know what I want to... I don't say I want to link up to what you want to talk to.
I don't know what you want.
I don't know what I want to talk.
No, you go.
No, wait, sorry.
You just go. You come.
Waiting I want to talk na CM. No, we not agree you talk that comes.
Man, if I talk, I
know say if you get one guy where
you don't come. I bet just go.
You know say this. You know say I tell you last week say get one G so I be won't give you. One place where I go chop. I see one guy and one girl who just sit down for them and they gist. The girl, they listen to the guy when they just talk normal talk. They just talk normal talk. Now, one question the guy throw. We just vex the girl. Will you date me?
Will you date me because they be correct?
Now, why I want to see say me and you dey on the same
now,
spirit?
the question.
Now, why I want to talk?
Ask the baby, that's will you date me?
Thank you.
Now the baby look and say, what kind of question is that?
Good. Now, wait till I want to
He don't
talk.
throw the girl off.
There are things, there are questions you are not supposed to ever ask a lady. Now, why I come for the conclusion?
All those questions we guy not supposed to ask babe at all.
Except on another date.
You get question where you not supposed as a guy. Ask a girl.
Your girlfriend, not be say ordinary girl.
Yes, any girl. No, anybody.
Any girl at all.
Any girl.
You get some kind of question you not supposed to ask the babe.
Okay, what if na girl wey be say na your girlfriend?
If na girl wey na your girlfriend, some questions dey wey you not supposed to even ask.
For
some questions dey wey you not supposed to ask.
Your girl wey dey date, you get question. Like which kind of question?
Okay, like for instance now, you look your girlfriend finish now say, should I give you my password?
Wait, this
can
way.
ask a girl any question, say.
Let me tell you what you cannot ask your girlfriend.
What?
You cannot tell your girlfriend, are you adding weight?
Why you ask her that kind of question?
Why not? You can know what's that?
You cannot now. You can't.
When you see them, when you say you like lekpa, and she come dey look, notice say.
But wait, the question I say, you see am, abi you no see am. You see am say she don't dey add weight. Why you come dey ask am say, are you adding weight?
One guy asked somebody which did last week.
No, it's not all those kind of mumu questions.
Wait, no, the boy knows sabi. You just see girl. If it's a compliment, just see the girl say, be like say you don't dey fat o. If say na money say don't really
na Nigeria here I don't see say
you know they ask
you go see baby go say baby you dey fat o.
Normally if two Nigerian girls wey dey give each other compliment say you dey add weight o baby you are chopping up
girl
chopping money.
Dana babe to
any girl when you tell any girl of today when you ask that question immediately they go back one go gym go start to gym.
But what I'm saying is that as a boyfriend to the girl you can ask her. You can
we
tell
are
her
talking
she's
about wait till we talk now and say any girl. Any girl.
See, might even correct you self, say, even if now your girlfriend, you the same say she dey add weight. All you would say is, babe, you are putting on weight. Not babe. You dey add weight.
You get how you go tell the girl.
You get how you go tell
buy
her.
clothes.
You know?
Way small. You give the girl. You know, so
So
most
pass the
girls,
message somehow.
their wedding gown, where they buy? They always they smaller than their size. Because
They go
walk
out well to fit.
Another question, you be like, what happened when we did this bar yesterday? Where we go, one, you see that girl come ask the
Why you dey bring up my
Okay, viewers at home and gentlemen of the press or whoever you are, no see any girl tell the girl say, can I kiss you? No girl go ever agree. You know the girl kiss, they won't greet them. They won't kiss you, but if you mainly just say, can I kiss you? What kind of question is that?
But to me, I go use this word, say the question they lame.
Yeah, you don't go ask girls, say,
can I kiss you?
You know they ask that kind of question.
You get mood when you go there with babe.
Where I go agree with and say no be every question. Now all those kind of mumu questions wey be say.
He don't say na mumu question.
Your girl, all those mumu wey be say.
He won't agree with us.
Your girl feel come back now. You want to say you don't come back.
Or you see your girl wet. You with clothes with water. You say, let me beat you. And you know that's pretty where they tell some guys because you don't say all these things there. We tell them how to get girls. If you see girl where you like, you can't go, maybe you get now walk to this bar and you feel say you want to check the girl. First you go and say, do you have a boyfriend? Every girl must say they get boyfriend. So you know they ask girl that question. Keep quiet. If he give you crank, you crank. After the cranking, he can't tell you say you get.
My own I even just say, just play along.
You know where that question
follow the babe they gist. Follow the babe they talk.
I will
tell you, follow the babe gist, follow the babe talk. Flow. Let it.
You know say when you know say
if you are watching me, let it come natural.
Let me tell you something. What if you already get one girl where you want to take serious? Then you come meet this girl where you want crank. That question is very important.
No, that is coming from you. No, this is you telling her you have.
Yes, no.
This is you telling her you have.
But you don't ask her she has.
I'm not even telling her I have now. I mean, they first ask her first. Do you have a boyfriend?
But you want chop her.
Well, but I want chop her. But she will say yes. Keep quiet now. No, for you. People are just. Will I say?
No, we are naive.
I'm mature.
Exactly. Yes. I told you the experience now. I told you now.
She not say yes. She go say, wow, nice one. He must be very lucky to have a very beautiful girl like you. The girl immediately, they turn her back to you. Say your own girl will be very lucky to have a handsome guy like you too.
I put it to
then you agree. Say, well, yes, what can we do? Then that matter end. Then on that continue for friendship level. We go get to that place.
Now, let me tell you.
But remember, say you don't build up one thing for the beginning. Say she get boyfriend, you get girlfriend.
Let me tell you. That kind of girl and that kind of guy.
The experience man.
You naturally know, say you want chop the girl. Believe me, the girl self want chop you. You know why you throw that question.
Yes,
because that question they help.
They help now.
But not be everybody. 95%. Any girl. No, but because most girls waiting for relationship, they very serious and committed. So any girl will go chop you.
Na side
get person. She not serious with that person now. She not serious. So if you ask
me, I know they ask. Me, I go just look you finish. We go just they gist. They talk, they flow. They go.
You
I will never ask
will you date me?
Say you get boyfriend. Will you date me?
Who they ask? Who they really in this day and age? Duh. Like you see, girl, you tell girl, will you date me? Then they ask again. You start. You don't know.
Dating girl begin.
Even if they look you, well, which planet this guy come from? Will you date me? This guy. You know.
But some. I get the ones who ask me say, what are we really doing? You've not.
Dana, after.
We don't tell you.
Because you know, I want Katabana now. When I say that question wrong.
No, we say waiting guy. No supposed ask.
Yes.
Not be waiting babe. No fit ask guy.
The two of them come together. Come say, guy, no fit ask babe. Say, will you date me?
Yes.
Now, if you don't ask, will you date me? It go get to an extent. The guy go ask you say, what are we really doing?
But you when they chop girl, you when they chop the 2 years. 1 year. What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
You know they reach 2 years. You know they reach 1 year before they pop up that question.
Mind you. Waiting with the talk for here. Now the means or the easiest way into a girl's heart. Get where you the plan. No, but you don't live with girl. Your own about it. Come on, you don't live with the girl for how long?
That not be live with girl. Me, I don't date girl. We be say we just deal. I don't tell her anything. So when not it's like 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
I know.
I can't say, how far now? Can you come over to the house? She can't say
for what?
Are we dating?
My brother, it do me.
You understand?
It do me during
the... If I don't ask that question for beginning, no, don't look at me like that.
No, but let me tell you. Me and you know, say, if you be asked that girl that question from the beginning, she don't go crank you. Simple. You know.
Who tell you so?
That cranky.
Why you don't ask her from the
that
beginning?
cranky, then you go suffer for him.
You know why you don't ask her also? Because you don't want to take the relationship seriously. And the girl already know. So when you know, say, see, if you really want serious with girl, even if the girl go be your wife to be, do you know when you come the first day say, will you date me?
What if you ask girl this question, say, on another day too, you can't answer, say, how much do you have in your account?
Hey! Hey!
I beg, make me rush.
Hey!
Make me rush. You not go for street.
You are gold digger.
When we come back, we will answer that question.
Chakara is a gold digger.
Don't go anywhere.
So many questions.
Guys don't suppose they ask babe where they don't say in relationship. Say, sure you love me, or kinda of, do you care for me?
If I get married with you, will you give me a son as a first child?
My guys is a bill. Me for me now, I don't get nothing to ask my baby. I feel ask anything. You understand? Me, I'm so down to it. I'm so raw. You know, straight to the point. I don't need to hide anything. That's how they go. You know.
You read a text message on your guy phone. Because they ask him, say, who be that? We send you message. Although that in some circumstances, you can ask such a question. But when you know who you are dating and who you are with, in some reason, you don't need to ask. But it has to do with trust.
I believe anything they based on trust issues. I mean, everybody don't get a pass before, so to try to ask her, okay, what do you do in the past? I mean, past is past. If she has to tell you, fine. Because if she tell you, you know if you handle and go happen, stuff like that. And again, to the police babe, okay, where you go, where you no go, where you did by this time, you leave house, you leave work 10 o'clock, you come house. I mean, for me, Shana, anything they based on trust issues anyway.
For me, I know it was guys because I don't say woman, even though you don't marry yourself, can't be your own totally. You understand? At the time she did with you, that should be your own. And she cross out to come out there, forget that. Me, as I did, I can't vouch for a woman. I don't feel vouch for a woman. Forget that. Not get to one talk. I don't feel vouch for a woman.
Yes, Nancy BOBOS on top Wazobia TV. And we dey here the gist. Me and my men, them Shakara and Showman. Yes.
Shakara because say you don't suppose.
You feel ask your babe how much she get for account. But I believe say for me, I know why.
You know why it's necessary sometimes.
Why?
So that as the relationship don't go, if she get one sugar daddy somewhere, we they pump money for her. You ask her where you can't get some money. When we meet, your account na 20,000.
No, are you doing a relationship or is it a political girlfriend? No. That they will tell you declare your asset before you say why you want declare. Why you want make your girlfriend declare assets? So that you go know how much you don't steal for your house.
Matter of
you look like man. You look like man. Wait. But wait. You feel like man.
Why get to ask me how much? Why how much I earn?
Why not?
Why get to ask me how much I earn?
No, get to ask how much you earn, but not how much you get for your account.
No. If you ask me how much I earn,
now go determine the kind of business which they introduce to you.
I say you be like man. You be like man. Where go they use tape? Measure yam for
no matter of tape. If your girl no know how much dey your account, she fit come one day and say, "Honey, I meet my elder brother cousin where they deal on cars. They say that they find a partner. We go partner with them. My cousin say, okay, I go tell my husband. Meanwhile, you know say your account balance, you know reach one golf, and they bring car business. I don't know whether the
no, say your girl go know. Your girl go know your ability.
Capacity.
She must know. Okay, say that question where you want. As how if you just see girl, you want to ask girl, say, when last did you have sex? You know, some guys, they don't deal with the girl, they don't even reach where they want to enter, or they don't they do the action. You can't feel like, say, maybe just the way the girl dey. Or maybe the girl, they really crazy.
And you get another question,
you know question, they're good for a fling.
But no, you get another question, again, what always vex me. You get another question, again, what always vex me. How you go look grown up, babe, finish, ask and say, do you like sex?
Well.
For me, it's annoying. I don't like it.
It's stupid because if you dey ask girl say, do you like sex, then you dey already tell the girl wetin you want to do. You dey already want to expose your mission. You understand?
Okay, more take the question to more nasty level. You know, they ask girl say, should I remove it?
Or you tell the girl, or you ask girl, have you come? If you ask girl, have you come, she go say yes. So you don't ever ask girl, say, have you come? You have to know. You have to know. If girl, let me tell you guys, if girl don't come, she go hold you. Now I talk and say, I like that thing.
No. Everybody get their pattern. Everybody get their pattern. No give us one way pattern.
If you know say it is sweet you, I beg, no they moan, no they scratch me. If you feel they even moan self, but when they begin they scratch me, I know be recharge card. When you go come, they want scratch. Take her easy. I know say they come. But you understand?
Come and go now. It's okay.
Yeah? Okay. I mean, if you go see girl, go ask girl, say, are you a virgin?
Come on now. Come on.
Every girl go tell you they're a virgin.
You get some kind of questions who no supposed to.
You ask girl, say, are you a virgin?
Why you go to ask baby if she be V?
I know if you get that.
You get woman when you go see, you go know say she no be V. You get the ones when you go see, you go know say, yeah.
How you want to know?
How you don't know?
Appearance they follow now. You get you go see.
Hey!
True. Like for example,
you don't know. You will live for us.
There is a word that says, "By their fruit we shall know them." When you see them,
for example, now our office where we work now, all the guests we did, you know, the guests someone go just see. I know if he answer say you be virgin, but if get one particular one, we be say if he ask am say you be virgin. No man call name.
Call names.
No call names.
The one why if he ask say
no call name. That's
one particular one.
I don't know.
You understand?
I don't know.
Which one?
But that one, even if you see himself, you go know. You go know saying no even be left from right.
Betiana follow when today where they come Betiana find my trouble about the and she talks about the no that Betiana she look like virgin but I don't know. I won't call name. Betiana you follow talk say because she
no, the only one why they look where the Zembo.
I bet if you go ask girls,
where the Zembo V. Now that one where they do poem. Where they
Now they talk.
Okay, for instance, God bless you.
Now they talk.
My brother, looks are deceiving. You cannot use that girl.
But that should say that one na V.
That one na V. Na lie. Na V.
I don't see Shakara. You never do many times when they do uncle or you be uncle to somebody or you are a mentor. And the other person will come and mentor the girl. You are just there. You get that. No! These are deceptive people.
I just like the life I came.
You know the last, you know the one way was past? Never you ever ask any girl, do you want to live with me? Or should I give you my spare key? If you try it.
Spare key, even I get when they come up for house, they collect them. Yeah? Even I get when your man is allowed to come up for house.
They collect that spare key. They collect that yes now.
I beg, why you go just throw that kind of question to babe?
No, you see, some guys they feel say, man tell you why. Most times because guy won't catch girl. So they feel say the way to catch the girl, not to give them your all. It be like say you
so your all now including your spare key.
And now what I have is your own. So you know, man tell you, you feel say if you give girl your spare key, say the girl no trust you. Now heavy trust. Now the girl go feel say, man, this guy has no skeleton in his cupboard. That means no girl will come and visit him. He's the only one. She don't feel any woman you give key already feels as if she is your wife.
Yes, she did deal with you.
That's why woman when they show the real character until you do these things. If you give her key, she go begin show 30% of her character. You marry him 70. As you she just born for you 100% of the character will just come out.
I bet me we shall probably do this opinion. I bet when we come back, we'll still talk more. Now still bubbles here, not go anywhere. Me, Showman, and Shakara.
Ask them question. Ask them one question. We're not gonna touch that there.
I just say, guys supposed to know they ask babe question like
how old they are.
Where did you get this pregnancy? Abi, as husband and wife now, that the husband will now ask the wife, who gave you this pregnancy?
Shall you be virgin?
That who did you have the pregnant for? Who did you have the pregnant for?
They're supposed to ask for sex.
And then women know they like make men they ask them how much do you earn as salary.
You're not supposed to dey ask for money from a lady.
My kind of guy, he like to ask me this kind of question. Say, how about your past experience? How many guys dey your life where you don't date? Like, you won't know what you don't do for your past. Like, if you meet some guys now newly, they ask you one kind of question. Say, who be the guy where dey your life before? Which kind of life you they live before? And you know, most sweet girls, they like to talk about our past. And those kind of questions, I know they like make my guy, they tell me, or they ask me, or especially if I meet the guy new.
Is that really a new question? I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
That woman with us say she no sure. I don't just understand with it. Maybe she don't just want to talk.
Those kind of women are people who don't even do boyfriend and girlfriend.
I'm telling you, they just come marry.
When we say they inside our backyard, they watch play.
No, not be even marry. This,
yeah. You see this man? It's my papa's brother's uncle. He says he like you. I saw you when you were fetching water. So go and pack your bag.
Those kind women, they never. She say she don't know anything about question because even when they come marry her, they don't ask her. They don't ask her question. Will you marry me? They just like say, we have given your father bride price.
But you get what thing I want talk. We get one particular woman we talk one thing for that place. She talk say say her boyfriend no supposed to ask her for money.
Well, say natural, also they very good. You get one way about hammer or not even that one. You get one person we talk something where they very. We talk just now.
Say they don't supposed to ask them about their past.
That past because you that money own. I don't go to support her because really, if I don't get money and I tell my girl say I don't get money, if I tell my girl say I don't get money, say man, babe, I broke. I they talk her because they expect to see. You know what that Maomi, Waje, where she feature Tiwa Savage, when they use Brian. Brian, the Gigolo boy knows say no get money. You don't go to go shop, begin to do like this. They pull up pocket because he knows say if you do like that, the girl must react. And Tiwa can react. You understand? So some things, if you no need to ask, because if you ask girl and the girl give you. But she don't hear you, they complain, say you don't get money, she don't give you. But when you come ask, then she give you. She don't really like you.
Simple.
And she go insult you. But that girl will say issue of past. You see, yes, we know say, you don't supposed to ask girl about your past immediately, but you know get her when you don't, I don't date you for like 3, 4, 5 months. I need to know.
Nobody believe. I always believe say I don't want to be interested in your past. If you want tell me. If you don't want tell me, keep it.
If the girl don't get picking before, you need to know all these things.
If you get really interested in the guy, you supposed to talk him.
I feel say necessary. Me I dey ask, but no be direct. Now when with the gist, gist. Have you just say, how far that your guy where you date before? She go say, I tell you say they date one guy. I said, you must date one guy because me, my ex.
Maybe we sharply do what don't spoil. When we come back, we still continue the matter. What don't spoil? Bobos Yan, not go anywhere. Yes, now the word don't spoil. We will carry concern and be that. And truly, this matter now very serious thing now.
It happened to me.
Yes, it happened to our guy.
It happened to me. Now why they pay me? Now 3 police women beat me.
Not true.
Sorry.
They beat me for Yaba.
Women.
Broad daylight around 2 in the afternoon. Like
women, not be men.
2 weeks ago I've been there. So now they hold me, they punch me. As a very civilized and responsible man, no agree throw.
As you tell me that in that day.
You don't believe I'm
I tire.
I laugh. I first laugh.
3 women. Me.
I first laugh.
We will go drag 3 of them. Drag them like they go see themselves for my house. One after the other, now go to beat them. You enter room. You know
they wear uniform. And 2 of them, you see their size. But the one where shocked me, she lanky like this. That woman, when she they throw me punch, I know they believe. As they want to talk, the punch don't come in now. Before I turn you again, punch again. So, but I feel bad because you see, I don't notice say now when we reach station now, everything I come my ID card. They call the fear. Then before they blink their eye, army men now, officers all falling from house. So now where they come begin to say, but now their plan is to go lock me. After they don't brush me, I come they say if other people will not get this kind, You know, maybe the opportunity for somebody to come out them. By now, the person go there inside jail, they'll tell the person. In fact, they were even telling me, you are a suspect. Bring down your car papers, let's see.
I beg. Anything where they happen for this country over there, so I beg. We know say one word road and they always tell us, now say, now one word road and they always tell us, now say, police, now our friend. Now I beg, make una be our friend. Anyhow we go be. Time no be our friend on top of the show today because they don't follow the talk. Yes, police, you will always be our friend because we are the media people, we will always be your friend. From all of us, from inside this bar. That's how we go to leave them today.
But you know what, try? You want to go at that?
That's how we go to leave them today.
Because of...
Okay,
Good night.
Mercy, they kill me. If I tell you, so you be the only one for me.